Okay, and we're going to put the crackers inside the container. And we have our mixture here. And then it goes on top of the crackers. Okay, go ahead. Put it in. Put it in. Really? Hurry up. That's enough with the subscribing. Yes, hurry up. Put it in there.
Doesn't this look so
Here.
satisfying?
Here.
I have one.
Yeah.
People, I accidentally ate a cracker.
Come on, put it in there.
Give me the cracker. No! It's mine.
Okay, give it to me, and I'm gonna pour this. I'm gonna pour this all over it.
Oh, are we gonna shake it?
Yeah, we're gonna shake it.
Can I shake it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All of us are gonna shake it. No. Yeah. There's only one person.
Okay, put the lid on it. Now shake it, but don't shake it really hard because it'll break the crackers.
Jack shakes a little bit. I shake a little bit.
Put your hand on top. Here, look. Just put it on the table. Lay it down. Lay it down. Lay it down. Now roll it. See all the sauce on the bottom? You want it to get all over the crackers because it makes them nice and flavorful.
It's my turn to roll them.
Okay, let AJ roll them. Roll them, AJ.
But don't roll them hard.
Move all that trash, Jax, please. Here, put this in the sink. Put that in the sink. And this in the sink.
Roll them hard. Don't want to crack.
Here, throw this away, please. All of the paper. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me see.
It's my turn to roll them. No. Mama's turn.
Okay. Hold the top. Hold the top so it doesn't come off. Now do them this way, like this. Not so hard, so it'll break the crackers.